Ka Don Bosco Youth Centre like Mkra Chelong ha ka arp sautre ul jelio kala play ya ka coaching program na ka benta ki khon samla ki badan jing thmu banya khon ya ka MPSC exams ka SSC exams ki bang exams bat ki wei ki competitive exams kani ka coaching program ka long kom ka senjam mathmai na ka benta ka Don Bosco Youth Centre bat ka play lenti na ka benta ki to ki pathrang shisha banyo jingi kai bat jing panchai halor kini ki exam ba prepare o kongsan hakani kesni uba Roni Walang Deputy Secretary Katnal Forest Jong Sarkar Jela ulakin tu bat aimen sim ya khon samla bakin sim ya kani galat ba ka Don Bosco Youth Center ka play na ka benda jongki layo ru ya ka jingkren na director jong ka Don Bosco Youth Center i Father Michael Makri ibala aimen sim ya khon samla ki balai don lang bakinum du jingkremen henry bakin thom ya ki jing e baki kendo ha ka jing em maman kasni.
Many of your contemporaries are perhaps elsewhere, hope to do something else, or perhaps finding life very difficult, or perhaps being lonely and discouraged. I'm really glad that the song that we began with, though it harped on the negativity of life and the difficulties young people face, I was just discussing with Madam, that this age and generation, while it talks about social media, it talks about lingos, it talks about people achieving various feats in different aspects of life, yet, may I say, with a tinge of sadness, that this is also an age of loneliness and hopelessness. It is therefore important, young people, that you take out your bucket, draw from here. Your hopelessness will disappear, your loneliness will disappear, your discouragement will disappear. And when you are together in a coaching center, let me be very candid. It is not just about teaching. A coaching center is basically a center where you unlock yourself, open up yourself to a plethora of opportunities that will come your way. It is a journey to self-discovery. If you take it very seriously, believe me, you will discover certain attributes in you which you think never existed. You will discover that you are a new person, you are more confident, and you are willing, as Father has correctly pointed out, to take on risks in lives. Unfortunately, we are a generation that loves whining, or as Father had said, complaining. We complain if we are not firmly ensconced in our career course, or if we do not have within ourselves that motivation to reach for the goal. I will just share with you my own experience in just a minute or two. I never had the opportunity to go for coaching. I cracked the civil service in the year 2010. It came as a surprise to me. I went into the exams definitely with the intention to pass, with the intention to be in the state civil service, which is considered the premier service of the state. I did put a lot of expectations, but I never expected to clear the exams. And what motivated me? Though we did not have a formal setup like this, where you have coaching, but it was a few friends who came together, who decided to motivate each other. Back then there was no social media, back then there was no YouTube, back then there was no online coaching. It was pure mentoring and motivation. So as I said, we were not hopeless, we were hopeful. And when you are hopeful, nature will conspire, the world will conspire to ensure that you are successful. Though I may be in the service, there are challenges which we have to face day in and day out. Very kind of our chairperson to have said, you must have seen him on TV, you must have seen him in the newspaper. You must have seen me on TV, basically when there is a problem in Shillong, with the NGOs. And I do not read the comment section. Because as they say, grapes is always sour, right? You have sour grapes around. So all kinds of comments to demotivate you will be there. I don't look at the comments. I know, my God knows, and my conscience knows that if I'm able to do my best, despite the challenges, despite the anger at times by virtue of being a human and flawed, but I go back home peacefully, get a good night's sleep, to wake up the next morning, to face the next challenge. Because as long as you live, challenges will be there. The day your challenges end is when you're 6 feet under. So may God bless each one of you. May this journey together and this endeavor of Don Bosco Youth Centre and reaching out, and I'm pretty sure that in the years to come, or perhaps even next year, what Father had said, God bless him, as they say in Hindi, mere muh mein ghee shakkar, that the next group of people who will come here will be individuals who want to crack the Meghalaya Civil Service, the Indian Administrative Service, and the All India Services. We need young people at the helm of affairs, and please remember, if you want to see a better Meghalaya, the change has to begin.
Ronnie, welcome to Don Bosco Youth Centre, and in a special way, welcome to this short inaugural function as we embark another history for the coaching to our young people. Then I welcome Father Peter, is a parish priest and rector in Nagpur. You see no fathers here, only me. I don't look like a father. So we thank God that God sent him to be with us here as a father figure on behalf of all of Salesian fathers. So welcome, dear Father. Then to our HOD, head of the department for coaching, Ma'am Susana, Miss Susana, welcome. And our teachers who are here, welcome to all of you. Then to you, my dear students, a warm welcome to this small but significant program as I said, as we embark, as we begin another journey for the welfare of the youth here in our center. I wish the students who are enrolled in this program and all the other students who are here as well, remember this: life is too short to live in your bed. You need to wake up every morning and reach your star. But at the same time, life should be enjoyed. And if you want to enjoy, the best way to enjoy is do well in your life. If you do well in your life, definitely you will be able to enjoy your life. Secondly, many of the young people that come to the office, one of the things that I used to hear from them is karnakli, shaking their heads. They said, this is too difficult, that is too difficult. In fact, we are going to send few students to Chennai who have completed their course in tailoring. They will be placed there in Chennai in one big industry. Few of them will be having the opportunity to go there. And some of them, those who come to me, when I told them that this is the lifestyle there, this is the temperature, they started to complain. They started to show that they are not happy to go there. That is what I would like to tell to each one of you who are here also. Dear friends, life is difficult. Enjoy the difficulties that you face in life, but at the same time, don't complain, because the more you complain, you will quit.